Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Taylor Eternal's Vlogmas. So today you guys, we are going to be doing a video on how to make your own Christmas wreaths at home. This is a DIY, do it yourself. So you basically just need any Christmas wreaths. Don't mind my husband, he's complaining about it being too early in the morning and our appearance. We're not dressed, but you know what? You do what you got to do, right? All right, so we are going to be using some wreaths that we had before previously. My husband's taking the lights off. These flowers, these artificial poinsettias, I bought these from the Dollar Tree. They come like $1 a bundle. So this video is pretty much a 3-step how to make your own Christmas wreath. The first step is going to be buy yourself a wreath, a blank wreath that's just flowers, or no, not flowers, that's just the wreath. And then buy the flowers of your choice. These are poinsettias. Of course, it's Christmas, so we're going with poinsettias, red flowers here. And you just want to separate them from the bundle. You can use scissors. You can use wire cutters because they are connected like with a wire because they're artificial, of course. So you can have wire cutters, scissors, a knife will work, but just be very, very careful. I like to take mine and just kind of twirl them and twist them off. As you can see here, I just twirl them around in a circle and the wire separates from the bundle. So it works for me this way. Now, once you got your flowers all separated individually, you're now going to take them and start sticking them into the wreath. And the stem of the flower is long, so you want to wrap that around the wreath, right underneath the flower to secure it to the wreath. And then you just go around the wreath with your flowers and fill the wreath to your desired preference. Okay. So you want to spread your flowers out so that they're nice and open, not bent or, tangled or anything like that. So you're going to just spread your flowers out so they're nicely displayed. And then, like I said, wrap the stem around the wreath to secure the flower to the wreath. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit closer so you guys can see what it looks like so far. So that's where we are so far. And I'm just going to go around and continue sticking the flowers into the wreath. Now, these bowls, I also bought these bowls from the Dollar Tree. So these bowls have a little wire in the back as well. I'm going to separate the little paper from it. And you are just going to take that wire. It's like the little wire that comes on a loaf of bread. So you just take that and you're going to wrap that wire right around the wreath as well. And there you go. There you have your do-it-yourself home wreath. These wreaths generally go for like $20 to $50 at Lowe's, Walmart, Michael's. Here, you can spend anywhere from less than $10 or less on doing a wreath yourself. And they look good, you guys. Don't they look great? What do you guys think about these wreaths? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about these wreaths? Just 3 simple steps. The wreath, put the flowers in, stick a bow on, and you got yourself some beautiful Christmas wreaths. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas to you.